Hello everyone, and welcome. I'm excited to have you here today. We're about to dive into mastering the art of system log analysis to enhance your ServiceNow environment and speed up problem resolution. The presentation is titled, Master the Art of System Log Analysis to Optimize Your ServiceNow Environment and Accelerate Problem Resolution, with a subtitle, Understanding System Logs in ServiceNow, Your Guide to Troubleshooting and Monitoring. Over the next few slides, we'll explore how to effectively troubleshoot and monitor using system logs, helping you become more efficient and proactive in managing your ServiceNow platform. Let's get started. Think of logs as your platform's black box recorder. Think of it as a device that captures all the critical information you need to understand what's happening behind the scenes. It records when things happen, what exactly occurred, and even why it happened. This way, you have a detailed trail to follow. These logs are incredibly important tools for troubleshooting issues. If something goes wrong, they help you pinpoint the problem quickly. They are also essential for security audits, helping you track access and changes, and making sure your system is secure. Plus, they're vital for maintaining system health and performance, giving you insights into how your platform is functioning over time. In ServiceNow, system logs specifically capture detailed records of transactions, events, errors, and all kinds of activities taking place within your instance. Think of them as the platform's memory. They record everything happening behind the scenes, so you always have a comprehensive record to review when needed. This foundational understanding of logs really helps us appreciate how they support the overall health, security, and performance of your ServiceNow environment. Let's take a closer look at the different types of system logs you'll find in ServiceNow. These logs are essential for understanding what's happening behind the scenes and ensuring system health. First, we have the system logs, which list warnings, errors, and non-critical messages about system operations. They help us identify issues early before they become bigger problems. Next, the outbound HTTP request logs capture REST and SOAP web service calls made to external systems. This is important for tracking integrations and ensuring data is flowing correctly. Then we have table change logs, which monitor and audit changes made to critical database tables. This is key for compliance and understanding data modifications over time. The import logs detail data import operations, including any transformations or errors encountered during the process. These logs help us troubleshoot issues with data loads. We also have email and push logs, which show notifications and alerts sent from the platform to users. This helps us verify that communication is happening as intended. Event logs record system events triggered by automated processes or integrations, giving us insight into system activity and automation flows. Transaction logs track all application activity and user interactions across the platform, providing a comprehensive view of user behavior and system usage. Finally, ServiceNow offers multiple specialized log types, each serving a unique purpose in system monitoring and troubleshooting. Understanding these different logs allows us to maintain a healthy, compliant, and efficient platform. Let's talk about an important pro tip that can save you a lot of time during troubleshooting. I recommend bookmarking the log file browser so you can access it quickly whenever you need it. Think of it as your command center for all log-related activities, whether you're downloading files for offline analysis or reviewing logs directly within the platform. Next, you'll want to leverage the powerful search capabilities available. This feature allows you to find specific log entries swiftly, which is especially helpful when you're dealing with large volumes of data. Additionally, the platform provides a centralized list of all log files, organized neatly by type and date. This makes it easier to browse and locate the logs you need without wasting time. To access the system logs, simply navigate to System Logs, then go to Utilities and select Node Log File Browser from the menu. It's a straightforward path that gets you right where you need to be. By familiarizing yourself with these steps, you'll streamline your troubleshooting process and be able to respond more efficiently to issues as they arise. Remember, quick access and effective search are key to resolving problems faster and keeping your system running smoothly. Now, let's look at how strategic filtering can truly transform your troubleshooting process. Instead of being overwhelmed by endless log data, filtering helps turn that chaos into clear, actionable insights. This speeds up your ability to identify and resolve issues more efficiently. One key tool is setting a max rows limit. This keeps the results set manageable, ensuring your platform runs smoothly without unnecessary load. It's all about maintaining that balance between getting enough information and not overloading the system. Next, you can focus your investigation by filtering logs based on severity levels, like debug, warning, or error. Depending on where you are in your troubleshooting journey, you might want to zero in on errors that are critical or warnings that could escalate. Content filtering is also powerful. By using keywords or error codes, you can instantly find the relevant entries without sifting through irrelevant data. This is especially useful when you're looking for specific issues or patterns. Tracking specific user sessions is another essential technique. Using Session ID, you can follow an individual user's entire journey through the system, helping you pinpoint exactly where things went wrong in that session. Time-based filtering allows you to narrow down logs to a specific window when an issue occurred. If you know roughly when the problem happened, this filter helps you focus only on those relevant events, saving you time. Mastering these filtering techniques, result limiting, severity filtering, content filtering, session tracking, and time-based filtering, empowers you to quickly isolate issues. Ultimately, this reduces your time to resolution and keeps your troubleshooting process efficient and focused. Now, let's take a look at how we retrieve archived logs. To access historical data, you would go to System Logs, then Utilities, and select Node Log File Download. This allows you to review past events or conduct compliance audits effectively. It's important to note that communication records are archived every 30 days for long-term retention, ensuring you have access to past conversations when needed. For example, email logs, identified as SysEmail, are part of this process. We also have different archiving frequencies based on the activity type. Monthly archiving applies to some logs, while moderate frequency activity logs, such as transaction logs, syslog transaction, and system logs, syslog, are archived every 7 days. Similarly, system events, sysevent, are included in this category. For more frequent data, high-frequency operational data like queue logs, ECQ, and event logs are archived daily, every 24 hours. This ensures that critical operational data is always up to date. Finally, ServiceNow has automated log archiving schedules designed to optimize storage and maintain platform performance. By managing how logs are rotated and archived, we ensure the system stays efficient and reliable over time. Now, let's look at how we pinpointed the root cause of this particular integration failure. By correlating HTTP request logs with transaction logs, we discovered an authentication token expiration issue. This was causing intermittent failures in the integration process. The good news is, we resolved this in just 15 minutes instead of hours. To do this efficiently, we filtered logs by error level and session ID, which helped us quickly narrow down the problem area. Then, we analyzed transaction logs for any errors during the process, including script errors and data transformation issues that could be affecting the flow. Next, we examined outbound HTTP request logs to identify any REST API call failures, response codes, or timeout issues that could be contributing. Finally, by systematically following these steps, checking HTTP logs, reviewing transaction logs, and filtering by key parameters, we used ServiceNow's comprehensive logging capabilities to diagnose the failure effectively. This real-world example underscores how structured troubleshooting can dramatically cut down resolution time and improve our overall integration stability. Remember, logs are only truly valuable when they're actively monitored and analyzed. So, it's important to build log review into your regular operational routine. By doing this consistently, you can use logs to audit changes, track access patterns, and maintain a strong security posture overall. When it comes to security auditing, always ensure your logs are archived in accordance with your organization's regulatory and compliance requirements. Proper archiving not only helps with audits, but also ensures you retain critical data safely over time. Another key point is setting up automated alerts for critical errors or warning patterns. This way, you're immediately notified of issues that need urgent attention, allowing you to respond quickly and reduce potential impacts. Finally, regularly reviewing logs helps you detect issues early, before they affect users or disrupt business operations. This proactive monitoring is essential for maintaining system health and security. In summary, managing ServiceNow logs effectively involves consistent review, proper archiving, automated alerting, and proactive monitoring. These best practices help keep your environment secure and running smoothly. Now, let's talk about the power of visualizing log patterns. When we analyze logs visually, it becomes much easier to spot systemic issues that might be affecting the platform. These insights help us optimize performance and make informed, data-driven decisions about where to focus our improvement efforts. Leveraging historical log analysis is key for ongoing initiatives, whether it's refining our systems or proactively preventing incidents before they happen. Another crucial aspect is connecting log data with system performance metrics. This linkage allows us to understand how specific events impact overall platform health, giving us a clearer picture of cause and effect. We also use dashboards and reports to visualize error patterns over time. This helps us identify recurring issues, so we can address them more effectively and improve stability. Ultimately, transforming raw log data into actionable intelligence, by strategically visualizing and correlating it, enables us to gain meaningful insights. Turning data into insights is essential for continuous improvement and maintaining a resilient platform. Don't wait for the next incident to happen before you take action. Now is the perfect time to start your journey toward mastering logs and transforming how your team manages your ServiceNow environment. By taking action today, you can begin exploring your logs to uncover deeper operational insights and identify opportunities for optimization. Effective log management isn't just about troubleshooting faster. It also plays a crucial role in strengthening your security posture. The more visibility you have into your system through logs, the quicker you can resolve issues and maintain optimal performance. Think of your logs as your window into the health of your ServiceNow instance, giving you comprehensive insight into its activity, health, and overall performance. Ultimately, mastering ServiceNow logs empowers your team, enabling better decision-making and more proactive management. So, don't wait for problems to escalate. Start today and unlock the full potential of your logs.